Hey, this is the Pop-Up Homestead. This is Sean. Guess what? We're working here. Let me show you what we're working on. So we don't have our permanent gutters and all that on for rain catchment, right? Been carrying a lot of water, starting to do some daily numbers and pushing $15 to $20 a day between gas to run the generator and hauling water, gas to get there and back, because it's a 20-30 minute ride just to get there. So we got to start doing some things, and it's even trying to rain right now, so we're going to take advantage. Watch. So now this is what I just put up. Well, we actually both did this together, Brenda and I. And so what we did, we just put a big tarp up, 4 nice big stakes, right, that we had, barrels that we had. And you see a little sign back there, a little memory lane. But anyway, so what's going to happen is we're going to put weights like right here, right in the middle. We'll put a string with something to weight it, and then whenever we do that, that will have an effect of putting a point on it, and that point will point right into the barrel. And we've got 3 barrels, 3 sections, and that's going to work. And man, the rain we've been getting here, holy cow, we've got a lot of rain, guys. I know in New York you guys are getting a lot of rain too. And then what's cool, we pulled the sign, was moving stuff, and look what happens when you let your chickens go free. They lay eggs everywhere. You never know where you might find a good chicken egg. Look at that. All right. Okay, this is Sean, Pop-Up Homestead. There you go. Quick. About 60 bucks for a tarp and some stakes if you got those. Whatever the cost, you can find these barrels anywhere from $5 to $10, $15, $20 on Craig's. And there you go. You got rain catchment. The Pop-Up Homesteads. It's starting to pop up. All right. See ya.